Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss question number E and F, page number 64 and 65. We are going to continue the same lesson, lesson number 10 today, and hope you will be able to understand once I explain all these exercises to you. Let us see question number E. Complete this conversation using the present forms of the verbs in the bracket. So we have got a present form of the verb within the bracket. We have to make use of those words given in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Let's see the first one. Where the dash is there within bracket is Aditi. Question mark. So we will write here, where is Aditi? Next one, is she absent? Is she absent? Next we have no, she is not. No, right, she is not absent. Next we have she studies in the library. She studies, right? She studies in the library. So this is how you are going to make use of the words given in the bracket and complete the blanks. Hope I have made it clear to you. The first one is clear. And in the same way, you are going to write all these exercises in the copy. Now we will move on to the next exercise, question number F. Make sentences using these words in the tenses mentioned in the brackets. So we have got some words, and within the bracket the instruction is also there. What is there? You just see the first one, present continuous tense. So these words we have to write in the present continuous tense, like Radhika. There is the cut cake. So make use of all these words and frame a sentence in the present continuous tense. So present continuous tense. So Radhika is cutting cake. This is how you have to do. Let us see the next one. Jaya packed suitcase. So present perfect tense. Jaya has packed suitcase. Next we have my pet lick me lovingly. So simple present tense. Simple present tense. Right, my pet licks. Licks me lovingly. So this is how you have to do after 6. I hope I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of clarifications in doing these two exercises, you may ask me. Thank you so much.